Gaston and Teresa Bell. Let's get right to the 11 o'clock update. And Chief Meteorologist Tom Searles with the new path. And Tom, this is not looking good.
No, none of the news is good. I keep saying this time and time again. We've got lots of news, and none of it's really very good. The storm made landfall here in Haiti this morning and just encountered Cuba in the last several hours. The eye has just exited to the north of the island nation in the last hour and a half. Wind speeds are down just a smidge, down to 130 miles per hour now. Movement is still northwest. The only reason that it's not packing 140 or 145 mile per hour winds is because of the interaction the eye wall had with Cuba. Now here we are, just barely coming out of the island. So it's going to be right back to Category 4 status during the overnight. Works its way through here during the day tomorrow. By tomorrow night at 8 p.m. it is here. By Thursday 8 p.m. it's here. And by Friday at 8 p.m. it is here. It's that window of opportunity, Thursday night into Friday morning, that we in Central Florida all have to survive. Here's one of the most important things to look at. Look how widened out the cone is now. They've jogged it far enough to the west that everyone in Central Florida is in the cone of uncertainty. The path of projected movement, the exact line is there, but you really shouldn't pay too much attention to that. As I said earlier tonight, if you learned nothing in 2004, please know this hurricane can go anywhere in this cone, far out here to the west or way out here to the east. This is the track the Hurricane Center believes it will take, but this hurricane is huge. It is not a pinpoint, and when it gets this close to us as a Category 3 storm, between here, Thursday at 8 p.m., and there, Friday at 8 p.m., those maximum sustained winds will be lashing at our shores, and tropical storm force winds will engulf probably the entire viewing area. We're going to have to watch it closely, hour by hour, update to update. Here's the deal. Our hurricane watch that we had for Brevard County earlier tonight has now been extended up the coast to encompass all of Volusia County as well. That means hurricane conditions are possible within the next 48 hours. During the day tomorrow, once we go under the gun and we're less than 36 hours away from what would be encountering or perhaps even landfall, then that will be upgraded to a hurricane warning. All the interior spots throughout all of Central Florida would at that time pick up an inland hurricane warning. Matthew County by county impacts, we're talking wind speeds close to hurricane strength or at hurricane strength on the coast. All the way over here to Ocala and the Villages, we're talking the possibility of tropical storm force winds if it maintains its current path. That would be wind speeds up to 60 miles per hour or maybe even higher as far inland as Ocala. I'll be back a little later in this newscast. We'll do more impacts. We'll look again at the path. We'll also check out rain for tomorrow because we're not out of the woods on that yet either. And then we'll look at what we expect after all of this is over.